This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce websites to mobile apps. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS application. Get 30% off on being first 200 sign-ups. Get the link from description.
Hello everyone, welcome to the new video of Educate WordPress. On this channel, we talk all about WordPress, and in this video, we will be discussing two plugins that can protect your content from getting copied. These two plugins are Easy Content Protector and WP Copy Protection. So the first one that we will discuss is Easy Content Protector. This plugin disables right-click, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+X, and Ctrl+V, and disables Inspect Element, which is Ctrl+Shift+I or F12, and even Ctrl+U, so that user cannot view your source and get the content from there. So to download this plugin, either you can download it from this site, or you can go to your plugins and click on Add New and search for Content Protector, and click on Install on Easy Content Protector and activate. So after activation, you will see its settings in Settings Content Protector. Very easy settings it have. You can display the message dialog box. Like if I go to my site and refresh it, when someone right clicks on it, the message is shown. So you can't fix its location, but you can edit what the message could be. So for that, you just have to type in this box. Like for right click, I can change it to no right click allowed, and then click on Save Changes. And then refresh my site. So now whenever I right click it, it will display the message no right click allowed. So just like this, you can change every message dialog box. When someone try to select, someone try to copy Ctrl+C or Ctrl+X, so it will show the message according to it. And now let's move on to the next one, which is WP Copy Protection. So this plugin has slightly more option than Easy Content Protector. For example, in Content Protector, you can protect all of the site pages and all of its posts, but you cannot select which, if a single post, if you want to exclude a single page or a post, you cannot select that. It will protect all of it by default and you cannot change it. So we will see how you can do it in WP Content Copy Protection. So for that, I'll just first disable this, and then I'll click on Add New in Plugins and type in Content Protector again, and now install WP Content Copy Protection and no right click, and then click on Activate. Now after activation, you will see a new tab in your left tab, which is copy protection. So this is the page where you'll see all the settings related to WP content copy protection. So by default, it will protect all of the pages and all of the posts. So when I refresh my page, you can see when I right click on it, it says content is protected. But it has slightly more settings than easy content protector. Like you can post protection using JavaScript, or you can, even if the site or browser disable JavaScript by default, by which you are accessing it, it will switch back to CSS. So home page protection by CSS, post protection by CSS is also available. So in main settings, you will see all the pages that you want to protect. You can even disable JavaScript protection. And in admin bar, you can see this plugin icon like this one, protection. So you, if you hidden it, then it will not show up there. And this is the premium feature. It will be available for you after you buy this package. And selection disable message, whenever someone try to select. And print preview message, you are not allowed to print preview this page, thank you. This message will be displayed whenever someone tries to directly print the page by clicking Ctrl+V. So we'll move on. Next is premium right click protection. So in this page you can select if it, if you do not want your post to be protected or your home page not to be protected, so that if you have added some right click feature in it, so it will not disable it in your home page. So you can just unbox it and then click on save settings, and now it will exclude home page from the protection. And you can even click on static page to disable static page protection also. And in premium you will get to choose, or even the links that you want the user to click it or copy it. If you have added some links, so you can do that in its premium feature, not in its free one. So you can just buy its premium, and the pricing are shown here. I'll just show it to you. So this is the pricing from its premium features, which is copy content protection pro. So for now I'm not using it. And you can choose protection by CSS also. And these are all the options available with the pro feature, like jQuery tricks and rules, full protection rules, and you can even add watermark images on the fly, and hot links protection. You can do all that after buying its premium features. Okay, so for now the extra feature that you get is excluding the pages that pages or posts that you want, and protection by CSS and JavaScript both. So now if I go to my home page and refresh it, so this is my home page. So in this page I have disabled the protection. So when I right click it, it is allowing me to right click on it. But for other pages, it is still disabled. So when I right click it, content is protected, it is displayed. And I cannot inspect the element or copy paste it. So these are all also disabled. But for home page, everything is allowed. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to Educate WordPress.